Hey guys, I'm here to do an unboxing video I got I used Amazon gift cards from Swagbucks. So I'm going to be unboxing my first item I got. So alright. So I got WWE 2K14. And I think there's, just gonna check. Huh. So that's the game. And I'm just trying to figure out what this is. Okay, well, that don't matter. And that's it for everything else. Now we're getting to the box. I got Forza Horizon, that's my other game I got. And more stuff. And now I got another box. This is Sadie's. And that's it for that box. And now it's just this box. But you just pull the tab right here. Take the thing off here. That's enough for the box. I think my knife just fell. Now, I take these. And I got my new gaming headphones for my computer. They look nice. See? And then they got the little hidden mic right here for gaming, to talk to people on Skype or something. I'm going to be using these for my videos and stuff, but so here's the stuff. I got the WWE Forza Horizon, my headphones. Now I'll take these apart while I'm at it. Whoops, I think I just cut open. That's what you get for the disc. There's no manual inside. There we go. Now I cut the other one. There we go. And that's what you get. Now that's, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed WWE Forza Horizon and these headphones I got. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.